Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Bitcoin was bouncing by the support of a down channel. Right now, the price line has formed a head and shoulder pattern, an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break out the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, or we are going to have a reversal move from here and break down the support of this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And here we can see that the price line was moving in this down channel since after 2nd November, and we have so many rejections by the resistance and so many bounces and touch points at the support as well. Right now, we were moving at the support of the down channel, and we also tested the support of the $35,000, the price level support, and we got bounced from there, even though we had a long spike up to $33,900, but $32,900, but we got bounced, and we also got bounced by this support of the channel as well. We also found the different support levels, like for example, we found a support here approximately at $60,000, then we broke it down, then we found another support approximately at $54,000, then we broke it down, and after $54,000 we found the next support here at approximately $46,000. We again had some accumulation, but again, after this rejection, after this bullish move, we reached the resistance, and after the rejection, we again broke it down. And here we found another support approximately at $40,000, and we again broke down the support as well. Right now, we have found another support at $35,000. We are having some accumulation at this support, and like every time, you can see after accumulation here, we reach the resistance, we reach the resistance, we reach the resistance, and here after this accumulation, we again reach the resistance, and we reject it. And you can also see that we also have this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame, moving exactly at the resistance of this down channel as well. Now we are getting again accumulated at the support of $35,000 and the support of the channel. Now there is a very high probability that the price line may reach the resistance once again, and that will be this time at $39,600 approximately. And by the way, we also have the RSI oscillator on the daily time frame in the oversold zone, and on the weekly time frame, RSI is showing a hidden bullish divergence, as we can see that the price line is forming a higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI is forming lower than previous low, opposite to the price line. You can see that RSI is forming lower than previous low, and the price line is forming higher than previous low. So there is also a very big hidden bullish divergence as well. Now let me take you to the 4-hourly time frame, and here we have this inverse head and shoulder pattern flashed on this 4-hourly time frame at the support of this down channel while getting bounced by this support. And you can see here we have this left shoulder, and we have this head, and this is the right shoulder. Right now the price line is moving at the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Let me place the pattern here so it will be more visible for you to watch this head and shoulder pattern. And I'm just going to select the pattern tool from here, and this is the left shoulder we have here, and now we have here the head, and here we have the neckline, and this is the right shoulder. And right now we are reached at the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Even on the hourly time frame, it will be more visible for us to watch this movement of head and shoulder pattern. You can see that here we have the left shoulder, here we have the neckline, and right now the price line is at the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. It was rejected, now it is likely to move up again. For example, if the price line breaks out this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, then it can change everything for Bitcoin, because this is a bullish reversal pattern, and this pattern can also change the trend as well, at least on the 4-hourly time frame. Now if we take a look at the target for this head and shoulder pattern, then in case of breakout, if I place this trend line here, our next target can be approximately here at $40,500, and we can see if we switch back to the daily time frame from here, then I was just having an estimation that if the price line will move in this way, then it can reach at $39,600 in this way. However, the target of the head and shoulder pattern is beyond $40,000, so it can also lead the price line to break out this resistance of the down channel as well. And after breaking out this down channel one by one, every resistance can be broken out, because this will be the first key for the Bitcoin to change the trend even on the daily time frame as well, from down to uptrend. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.